Apple's self-repair program, what it means for you and the company. As you might know, Apple recently announced its new program allowing customers to repair their own devices, which is a significant change in their previous policies. In this video, we will discuss why Apple launched this program, how it benefits both Apple and its customers, and what we can expect from this program in the future. Now, before getting into the video, let me introduce myself. So, this is Apple Podcast, and all I do over here is post videos about Apple answering your questions. So, please consider subscribing if you're one of these tech fans. I have another channel to relax yourself, the link to which will be given in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Apple has always been known for its strict control over its hardware and software. This control extends to the repair of its devices, with Apple being the only authorized repair provider for its products. However, this has been a point of contention for many customers who have had to pay exorbitant fees for simple repairs or wait weeks for their devices to be repaired. This has led to criticism and even lawsuits against Apple. In response to this, Apple launched its self repair program to give customers more control over the repair of their devices. The program provides customers with access to the same genuine Apple parts, tools, and training as authorized repair providers, allowing them to make their repairs. At first glance, it may seem like the self repair program could hurt Apple's profits. However, there are several ways in which it benefits the company. Firstly, it reduces the workload of authorized repair providers, allowing them to focus on more complex repairs. Secondly, it helps to reduce the number of third party repair providers who may use counterfeit parts or damage Apple's reputation by providing substandard repairs. Lastly, it can help to increase customer loyalty as customers who have more control over their repairs are more likely to stick with the brand. The self repair program is a significant win for customers. Firstly, it allows us to save money on simple repairs that we can do ourselves. Secondly, it gives us more control over the repair process, allowing us to learn more about our devices and potentially fix them faster. Lastly, it provides more options for repair, reducing the wait time and costs associated with sending devices to authorized repair providers. In conclusion, Apple's self repair program is a significant change in the company's repair policies. While it might seem like a risky move for Apple, it actually benefits both the company and its customers. It provides customers with more control over the repair process, reduces costs and wait time, and can increase customer loyalty. We can expect this program to expand to more devices in the future, making it even easier for us to repair our own devices. Comment below your thoughts on the self repair program. So that's going to do for the day, guys. Thank you for watching. Once again, please like, share, and subscribe if you're one of those tech fans. I'll see you in another video.